go to Poppy and Gigi's house and eat turkey and watch football. Today we're bringing in our friend Logan. He's gonna teach us how to make a turkey treat. Hey Logan. Hi Hadley. Hi Lizzy. Hey Logan, what are we making? A turkey ball full of cheese. Yeah. The first thing we need to do is wash our hands. After we wash our hands, we're gonna get the cream cheese. Guys, get a block of cream cheese. A block. All right, girls, let's stir the cream cheese. Now we need the shredded cheese. We need 1 cup. Now stir it up. Now we need cranberries and pecans. How much do we need, Logan? A half of a cup. I got a half of a cup. I have a 1 of a cup. Now that's mixed up, we're gonna shape it into a ball. Okay, Logan. How does this look? Good. Now let's make it look like a turkey. I'm gonna do the face. I'm gonna use crackers for the feathers. I'm gonna use the pepper for the face. Our turkey looks awesome. Thanks for teaching us, Logan. Welcome. Guys, what did you learn today? I learned that it's important to follow the steps. I learned how to do a measuring cups. Cooking is fun and we learn about new foods. Thanks for watching our show. For more tips, you go to Pediatrics.